Taking mean of numpy ndarray with masked elements. I have a mxn array of values taken from an experiment. Some of these values are invalid and are set to 0 to indicate such. I can construct a mask of valid/invalid values using, which produces an mxn array of bool. It should be noted that the masked locations do not neatly follow columns or rows of the matrix, so simply cropping the matrix is not an option. Now, I want to take the mean along one axis of my array, e.g. end up with a 1xn array, while excluding those invalid values in the mean calculation. Intuitively I thought, should do it, but the mat1 mask operation produces a 1D array which appears to just be the elements where mask is true, which doesn't help when I only want a mean across one dimension of the array. Is there a Python-esque or numpy way to do this? I suppose I could use the mask to set masked elements in NaN and use np.nanmean, but that still feels kind of clunky. Is there a way to do this cleanly?
I think the best way to do this would be something along the lines of, then take the mean with
One similarly clunky but efficient way is to multiply your array with the mask, setting the masked values to 0. Then of course you'll have to divide by the number of non-masked values manually. Hence clunkiness. But this will work with integer valued arrays, something that can't be said about the NaN case. It also seems to be fastest for both small and larger arrays, including the masked array solution in another answer.